They will talk about your first time, your very first time as a woman, the first time we somebody touch you. You know what I mean? As a man too, if it contribute your own, the first time when somebody touch you, when you lose your virginity. And Nigerian parents know they care about how and when we lose our virginity. Now topic where daddies and mommies know they like to talk about. You go give birth to your pikin, they train them. I don't want to see you talking to anybody. I don't want to see you go, they're very strict for the young age, nursery school, primary school, secondary school. But I get things where they happen between secondary school and university from that age of 14, 13, 12 until marriage. Mothers don't know how their daughter take no be virgin. Fathers don't know who teach their son to do what man and woman they do. All they know be say they go come. Our parents come be like say they can't do like say they know like say they don't want to talk about them. Like
say they know they see.
Like say they don't know what they happen. One day, hey, somebody want marry their daughter. They go there, go dance. Then the next thing be say their daughter belly don't begin come out. It don't get pregnancy. First pikin, second pikin, third pikin. But who starts to deflower my daughter? Father from say no say something
no
like that. The mother then like say they no want talk them, make shame no catch them, or make it no pain them, or make they no take fault inside. So today we they ask you as a grown up somebody, when be the day where you lose your virginity? Not be when, but how. Waiting be the experience of your first time. You and who and how. By your mind or by force. Waiting starts to today's conversation. Now, one of my friends will bring the topic on top social media. He asked people, say, it start am like joke. He say, tell me how you take lose your virginity. If your story touch me, I go dash you 5K. Now, so the guy take talk am. But even him, when stories
you not expect what you
hear.
Not
expect. So the most touching story for me, and the story will be like the story of many young ladies for this country. The lady now don't grow. You be like say she don't marry. She say the person with this virgin her, now her mama younger brother. That's her uncle, her mama younger brother, same father, same mother. That is to say the person they related to her by blood.
Yes.
So that is to say that's what they do now. What they call her incest. Now abomination. She said the guy they live with them. I can't think I'm say, do you know how many uncles are living with the family today? Do you know how many sisters of the bride, mommy's sister, daddy's sister, my mommy's younger sister, my mommy's younger brother, my daddy's younger brother, my daddy's younger sister, even us, my mama younger sisters will live with us are more than 4 or 5. My mama, my papa younger brother will stay with us, Uncle Udo, and who again? I think that Uncle Udo. Now I remember. So I can't imagine. She say that uncle they form in no book. So now they solve maths, English. So it can't they form lesson teacher. It can't they form strict disciplinarian. When they tolerate. Now they carry cane. He said now they flog her for afternoon. Can't they touch her for night? So mommy can't relax, believing say, if you do anything
in good hands.
If you do anything, I'll call uncle for you. But don't use anybody name. Do example. But they don't say, nah me. You know. So he can't they do that thing. He don't start to they touch this girl. He don't they do things with her for night. Mommy they comfortable with uncle. Anywhere she want go, uncle will take you. Uncle will take you. To the extent where they say go and meet uncle. Go and give him your book. They go enter a room, lock door. Then uncle
they do inside.
Uncle come move out, come rent your own house. Mommy still they send her go meet uncle. Cook food, go and meet uncle. So if she do anything, she come back late, she do anything with her friends, mommy go report her to uncle. Then uncle go say,
send her over.
Mommy go tell her, so yeah, your own don't finish today. Uncle, you go and meet uncle. She believes say even if you no go beat her, you go really talk to her. You go tell her word. So she fit go in the morning, come back in the evening. The only thing uncle they do now to run waiting sweet them. When he finish, she go clean up, bath, go back home. So the mommy believe. So she still talk something where many Nigerian parents, especially mothers, they guilty. She say, I could not fit to tell my mama no go agree. 1, my mama no go listen. 2, I think a lot of Nigerian mommies, parents generally, so many children no go fit tell their parents what they really
that
go,
kind of thing.
Especially the mother. So when I hear say a lot of ladies been there on top that table where they lose their virginity in by force way. Some say their brother friend, my senior brother's friend. Some say one uncle that will stay with us.
Neighbor.
Some say neighbor. Some say lesson teacher. Some say one say our uncle, our brother in Block Rosary. Should be Catholic. Brother, where they carry, where parents he go come knock on the door, all the children go follow. Block Rosary. Some say, all those senior men where they teach young children, either teaching them lesson or teaching them prayer or cultural dance in school or game master, any elderly, any senior man figure where they control children. So, but they say one thing, my mama no go believe me. So I can't wonder, is it say Nigerian mothers believe say they train liars? Pastor go touch small girl, she go tell you say if I had told my mother, she will not believe me. Man go touch girl, she go say if this one don't marry now, born 2 children. She say it's some few years ago she finally tell her mother.
Waiting brother they do.
A brother we don't born when children don't grow. The man an old man now. She say now recently she tell her mama.
And she talk about her mama reaction.
No, she just talks because that guy can't chat her say, does your mother know? She says just some years ago I told her. Do you know how many women they listen to this program? We don't grow, we don't marry. Sometimes your family don't understand why you're vexed too much. Your husband don't understand why you depart.
Why your body they
colleagues
pepper
don't
you.
understand. Do you know what it mean to live with this kind of experience? You don't get who you go tell. My mama no go believe me. My mama go beat me. Person where they rape. Person where they force. Then your mama beat you. Do you know our parents that year feel say they don't pass 100 over 100 for parents. As a parent, my mama go say, "In don't try for me, in don't try for us." Anybody will say no train us well as a mother. God go judge her.
Once
for
the
their
pikin,
mind.
once the pikin don't go school finish,
yes,
marry.
You teach them. You they pray with them. They go church or they go mosque. You teach her to cook, to sweep, to wash clothes, to go school. You can't pay school fees for their mind. Do you know how many times? All those with they come out, stay with neighbor. All those house help, all those. Do you know how many times? Some parents don't even know. Till today.
Chi boy, this thing where you dey talk, I don't know that I go say the matter they pepper me for body one hand. And I really like say you bring up this matter because a lot of parents now need to adjust.
Yes.
They need to adjust because a lot of parents out there now still get young girls under them where they man not just put on to girls alone, both girls and guys.
Yes.
And I think another thing we say where they cause this thing we say most parents now, I don't know that I would say that they fear or that they shame or they don't know how to just sit down with their pikin.
To start that topic.
To start the topic, first of all. I believe say once you see your pikin don't they mature, once you know say you don't get to that stage where in body parts, puberty,
it's time for that discussion.
Yes, you don't they begin to they want to they explore. Instead of you come they shout say this pikin your eye don't they go outside. This pikin you be like say you don't they do pium pium pium. I don't they see the kind kurukere walk away the waka. Now the time for you to sit
they
down.
They don't want to talk them. That topic they shame them.
I don't know why. Like say they shame them to tell their pikin say you see
something
this part of your body. You see because for your front under your nose you say this pikin they develop.
Yes.
And it just they develop, they go like that. Whether you like him or not, you know if you keep the pikin inside house 247, he go school, he go church, he go play with compound people.
Say to be a father in our biology, to be a dad, now by how you train your pikin. To be a mother in our biology, if man climb on top you in 9 months you go born. You know me say sense they your brain to make that child somebody. So many people just born because of biology. I carry belly born. They have nothing to offer that pikin to make them a better person.
So when we even have the discussion with their pikin, say they no go call the body parts the real name. They'll come they say your pencil and your this one. And then at the end of the day, most children they confused because
if anybody eat your apple, you will get pregnant.
Most children, even if they meet all these perverts, all these people where they touchlight small children, they don't feel really understand. They don't know say a big deal. They don't know say a serious thing for another person to see them outside. Touch them anyhow because the mama and papa were supposed to explain to them. We even manage try say won't explain to them. You know talk them as if not serious. You know lay emphasis on them.
Don't let anybody touch your hand.
Exactly.
If anybody hold your hand, if anybody come close to you, what do you mean by come close?
I'm telling you.
If he come close to you, you get pregnant. On a never ready, but more ready discuss. More see whether anybody gets anything to say. Maybe some people want to share their own experience. Okay. Somebody said, okay, this now old messages. Somebody said that music into use the church. Okay, so we'll wait for your messages. Anybody go like share with us? Somebody say good morning. Okay. Ogachi boy, this topic they huge. Some parents are even angry that you are growing. Yes.
Thank you.
I don't hear of girl we talk
Yes.
say as her breast begin come out, her mama hate her. Say who they touch this thing? She say touch what? Say as her breast begin come out for nursery for secondary school, it can't be like say she become the enemy of her mama. Somebody talk and say some parents are even angry that you are growing. They go to use and they insult you every opportunity. Yes. No say see your breast. Now you never tell me what they do.
I don't hear mama wey tell him pikin before say I just dey watch you, I just dey observe you. Now you be the only fine girl for this street. Go dey waka boys, go dey call you fine girl, fine your head go dey swear. Instead of make you put, she will come dey wonder. Now me create myself. Now me just stay one day say, oh yeah, big this thing, big breast come upon me, big bum bum come upon me. Because now grow I dey grow, I no keep person. So now you're supposed to advise and guide her.
Even the changes for her body, now she not even really, she don't understand. We see your message, Kizito from Itire. He said, no be say Nigerian parents, they train liars. He said, but the level of trust when they get for those adults, those uncles, those pastor, reverend, imam, he said the way they take believe those people. Say,
they don't feel see them as if they feel do anything wrong.
You don't let them believe their own children. Callion Christmas from Canada. He said, good morning, Ogachibo and Adadunum. Now, truly very sensitive topic. I lost my own virginity through rape by our housemaid. I don't get any idea. I don't know what in that thing be that time. But the second time which you try them, now I tell my parents and you say they act immediately. Okay, anybody who would like to talk to us on the phone, even if you want day anonymous, anybody want to share any experience, your first time and how you lose virginity, especially if it happened in a sad way and not be you ready to do them, somebody do them to you, and you like share because somebody need to hear so that the person too go come out and share their own story and say that some parents go no say such things they happen. Somebody said, Gachi boy, ignorance follow too. Nobody tell them no even know how to start the conversation. Okay, that's parents now. And this one say, please, Ada and Chiboy, can we have this program recorded? It is very important.
Yes. Yes.
We'll go do that now. So please. Okay, and somebody say good afternoon, Ogachi boy. Not be only uncles or aunties too, they bad too. Chi from Festac Town. Yes. You go also hear from some of the guys. Please, whoever you are calling us on top the WhatsApp line, I beg stop them. We they read messages from here. You they call us all the way from UK. The number finished for 5599. Please. This not be the line to call. Thank you. If you not go send us message, we'll go read. Send a voice note. As long as you know the Nigeria from diaspora. If you send us a voice note to go play them. Somebody say my name now Chris from Lagos. Ogachi, but this topic don't bring something of the past. I get a friend, now girl, now Reverend Father. They flower her after telling her to come for confession. Now God now go save us. Those people, some of the people were these virgin people, young ones. Now the people where their parents trust, will be say their parents they go report them to those people.
Exactly.
Then those people go say, send the boy to me, send the girl to me. Somebody say, the pharmacist. He said, I had to start to pray, say make my breast stop to grow because of what my mama they tell me. You dey hear? Somebody say her breast, as she they grow, say the way her mama they talk to her, she begin
as if not her fault.
Yes, she begin to pray, say God, I beg, make this breast no grow because this breast go put me for trouble. Her mama, okay. Somebody say I know one guy will tell me about a secondary school teacher. He said she disvirgin that boy, that teenage boy, chief from Festac Town. Okay, so this one a boy and a female woman teacher disvirgin that boy. Okay, so many things going on. If you no come, you no go know. So many things they hidden under the world. Okay, somebody said, it's okay, make a day anonymous. Ogachiba, I greet you seriously. Don't happen to me between me and my 15-year-old stepsister. When my dad remarried, that was 8 years ago. He said, God, I'm sorry.
Wait, naim do the stepsister. Then when they say, God, I'm sorry.
He said, it happened to me between me and my 15-year-old stepsister when my dad remarried. That was 8 years ago. I think naim.
That's naim touchlight the stepsister.
He said, may God
forgive him.
Forgive her. Me one day anonymous. No problem at all. Somebody says a child, 5-6 years old, then be abused me, touchlight me. And he said, I'm my distant family member. He did do it once. He said, I be man, no, even our neighbor, where the man, their neighbor and man where they do man. He say, he even try to touchlight me many times. Sometimes you go wonder, see, where the parents dey. So many things they happen for back where
Yes,
papa and
now.
mama no dey. Okay, somebody said, Chibana, that this one a good topic. My daughter, when they 13 years old, complained to me, said the boy, my cousin, where they stay with us, go come her room for night, come they touch her when mommy no dey around. He said, I just they wait to catch him. I don't tell my daughter waiting to do, and her brothers, they aware. All of us don't set trap for the guy. Wow. Is it not better maybe the guy just they go?
They won't get patience. They will set the trap. That's so patient.
Me and I don't even want, because I don't even want to get problem with him, and because some of these relatives now, it go come spoil you and him papa and him mama. Now I don't know whether they set trap, and I feel say she go dey more comfortable if na her husband family. You know, say this kind of thing, you go say, hey, see the kind of relatives you bring to this house. If na this madam family members, I'm not sure say she go calm down like this. She not go want make her husband can descend on this boy.
Maybe she won't set the trap. Maybe say goes to spoil relationship. She will get evidence for hand.
If the evidence come, it go spoil now, because you go gas talk while they para. They return my pikin.
I don't understand the trap.
If na me, I for don't send them back. Say no.
Immediate action.
Okay, it say the queen from Bucknell. The queen from Bucknell. They set this trap based on say. Anyway, everybody get their own way of handling things. For me, I don't go wait for any trap.
I don't just get that patient to try.
I don't need to catch them. I just need may they go. Somebody say good afternoon, Ogachibo and Adadum. My boyfriend tell me say na in nanny they touchlight him every night, and he no fit tell him mama because she been they threaten him then. Yes, I hear say most of them. One yemma from Surulere. Yes, most of them they drop that threat. If you tell anybody, I go kill you.
I'll kill you. And because don't say the pikin don't know anything, and fear go grip him, he go keep quiet.
Chiboy, good afternoon. The deep topic, but a young adult, as young adult, we must know say we are the best version of our mama. That's girls and fathers for boys. So we need to make conscious efforts, make we no show the same sad thing where we experience to the younger generation after our own. Thank you, Anonymous. Now you send this message. And this one's Ogachibo and Ada. Good afternoon. My experience day too bad. My mama friend disvirgin me. Your mama na single parent or widow. Where your papa been there? Chiboy, he said the experience day too bad. So sorry. So you not tell me whether I might put your name. Somebody say, Ogachiboy, my one be say when I did small, 8 years old, my parents harbor one of our church member for house. Ogachiboy, this man molest me. Even for my parents' house, my parents both been they go work. So now me just day for the hand of this man. Chai. Thank you so much. I see your message. Good afternoon, Ogachiba. That same thing they happen for my compound. The guy they touchlight my neighbor daughter. I see two of them for toilet one night. When the guy been they touch the girl down part. When I tried to tell the mother, she say I they try to terminate. I they try to spoil her daughter image. But I been tell her to make she check well and make she observe things before it go day too late. Wow. And this one say good afternoon, Uncle Chiba and He say, good afternoon, Kuchuba and Ada. My own happened to me when I've been about to write SSCE when my cousin raped me. And up to now, I find it difficult to stay with a guy.
Cousin.
You hear this story of, say, some man, who senior you, send you go buy something. So many times,
you
go buy
something.
When you buy and come, you say, go keep her for room. Or may you enter, come keep them in locked door. So many young ladies. Plenty. It don't happen to like that. He send me go buy something. Sometimes now your mama go use her mouth, they dash you to the guy. Your husband, see your daughter. You see your wife. It may be one guy will be lesson teacher or copper or elderly guy for that compound. She go begin call her daughter the person wife. If the guy they pass, she go tell her small daughter of 11, 10, 9, see your husband. That husband and wife play. That thing they vex me. Hey, grown up man.
I'm telling you.
Come they talk to girl of 10 years old. My wife.
The
mama go they happy say, your husband. Small time don't enter buying biscuits. You don't enter buying mineral, buying yogurt. Now so they tell they do amo.
Now so they start now.
You go see generator repairer where they near shop of woman where they sell mama put. She go look her daughter of 9 years old. They call a man of 42. They say your husband, your wife. That nonsense go stop this time around. Somebody say, good afternoon. Was it okay? Okay, this one will be for us. Good afternoon, Ogachi Boy and Auntie Ada. God bless on board for this topic one that they talk this afternoon. Just on Saturday, I they teach my daughter, where they 10 years old, about this topic without hiding anything. Well done job. Chi God from Agric. Thank you very much. This one say, okay, this one voice note. We could play this one. Somebody from, okay, this one, no, they Nigeria, now from Belgium. She sent us this voice note. We could listen.
Oh, good afternoon, Chi Boy and your co-worker there. This matter where you did talk here, this thing happened years back. My stepbrother, they always enjoy this. See our I don't know, so I want to talk we did for compound where other people did. So if they like to make all of them join body together, they do that rubbish and then go they look. And I don't like them. So anytime they do I go say I won't talk. You go end up put fire for stick, like say one use and burn me. So if I talk, I not go fit. He go like to bring small children. Sometimes they go say, okay, stay with them, or they go farm, go river, all those things. So this person was doing it. I don't want to call the name, but yeah, the thing was so disheartened, like I not really fit talk. This one is something where parents don't come up for house. Now, my stepbrother go enjoy. They bring the small girls and boys together. They do those rubbish just because they won't watch TV. You understand? Thank you.
Chibo, you know, so na that level be this.
Yes.
He gather them.
They own how to watch now.
Like a sort of pornography.
Like child pornography.
So you go just balance, they watch the children.
Yes. So the one where they sweet them,
that man is
do.
sick.
Now to the ginger them, they do.
A sick person.
Somebody tell me, till today, between me and my elder brother, my family don't try. A lady sent me a message and they say, please don't mention me. I post this thing for my status. She can't send me a message. Contact say between her and her elder brother, the age difference between them now 3 years. Now her elder brother is virgin half, same father, same mother. She said till today, nobody really understand our enmity. Even my wedding, I no invite them, I no like them. As I realize what we do, I hate them immediately. She said for over 2 months, almost every night, say that her brother, her own flesh and blood, now on top her in practice within EDC for outside. So the things where they come, somebody said my mama, they run big restaurants and she gets 9 workers, a boy,
that set up
and 8 girls. She said restaurant too. Workers be 9, 1 guy and 8 girls. He said the girls they run shifts. When some of the girls they at home, their boyfriends go come to visit them during the day. If I see them, I go tell them, say I go report to my parents. They will now tell me to come and do. Wow.
So that a few reports. Then she'll come join them.
Now, I'm sure saying I think saying a guy they talk this thing. No? And they suspect a guy, maybe the girls they give and say they open for and say make you can do. So that one a bribery now. Good afternoon, Ogachi and Adam. My name is Precious. I want to be saying that for Girls Guide, one society for Anglican Church. I learn everything about man and woman, touchlighting, and every other thing related to it. My mama never teach me anything concerning sex education. Okay, she don't mean say them spoil her for Girls Guide. Though. She means say sex education. They teach them how to clean their body as a woman. We don't reach that stage. How to
things to do and things not to do.
Yes. So God bless Girls Guide. God bless the Anglican Church for this one. For somebody to come out, come give the testimony. Say now there they teach them. They everything what she need to know. Say her parents don't even teach her anything. Okay. Somebody say somebody said some time ago, one woman come my shop, come they shed tears. When I asked her what happened, he started to tell me story. Say the man when she marry, they sleep with her daughter. Her daughter, they 15 years old. He said, but my daughter, no be the man biological daughter. When she can't find out.
So the man they sleep with his stepdaughter.
Yes, that she remarried now. The man can't sleep with her daughter. He said, this one plenty now. This story plenty. Many girls, at least when I did Kano, 4 girls send me message, say their sister, or 2 send me message, say their senior sister husband, they sleep with them. Waiting they go do. And 2 again send me message, say their mama husband, the man will he marry after their papa die or after they separate. He said, when she find out what they go on, the husband beats her up that he'll be sleeping with that girl because she's not being daughter. He said he tell the woman say if you hear anything from her mouth, say go kill her. He said things they happen. Chief from First Stack. So a lot of these mothers no get 1 naira. So they come up from husband house, come go marry another man, marry and come with mature girl where chest don't full. That man now, it be like say he married the wife, he married the woman because of the daughter.
Yeah.
So the daughter na the promo, na extra.
Buy one get two free.
So a single mother with daughter we don't mature. You know their husband house again, and you know get 1 naira.
Now they get in ID.
Yes, and they don't get where to go. They don't fit come up from. She don't get 1 naira. They don't get. Some of the women, the daughter go finally tell
Chibo,
her.
I don't even hear a situation where a girl talk say when she finally open up to her mama, it happen. Mark tell and say, "How I take no say now waiting the brother do her. How I take no say now. How I take no say now. This thing where they talk now, so it take happen. Meaning say it don't spoil.
Chook mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.